Okay, you guys have missed a lot, but that's not gonna stay. Yeah, it's not gonna stay. We got Bree, Kinsley, Ari in the back, and we are on the way to Savannah.
Amazing!
I'm not even gonna catch y'all up. I'm gonna catch you up once I'm there, change, refresh, but itinerary has kind of changed just because the weather. March birthdays are hard. The sun is out right now, but I don't think it's gonna be out when we get to Savannah, but we'll just see. If it is out, we might actually do the beach sunset watching, and if it isn't, then we'll just have like beach time during the day tomorrow, so we will see.
Big 22, big in the 22. I'm pulling up till I can't no more. I swear everything else is slow-mo. Ordered up
Let's see.
That's good. That's fine. Okay.
Let's do a tour. So this is the bathroom. Cute. Got the kitchen. Living room. Very much so giving Savannah. Love it. Just in case y'all didn't see the kitchen. Then we got really big closet, another bathroom. We've got, I'm pretty sure this room is gonna be mine. And then we have, oh no, this room is gonna be mine. This is tea. So this is gonna be me and Bree's room. One's gonna be Ari's or Kinsley's, and this is another. Let's go get the girls. I don't know if they know where to go. Let's see where they at. Where y'all at?
Oh. Oh.
It's a placebo.
Where y'all at? What the hell?
Come on in, gals.
Mom was like, they disappeared. She's gone.
And then I heard y'all said, let me come get them. Yes, yes. Hey. See how this matches the earrings. I wish I had a full body mirror to really show y'all the whole fit, but it's giving the holistic baddie that I am.
We're gonna get it by the time we have to return.
Y'all are a key.
Oh.
Is that it? Hey. So we're going to Savannah Bee Company because we want to do mead tasting.
So we in Sonoma.
Get you your honey.
You don't
do the elevated one, like the wine one?
Yeah, like the wine one. I was thinking about doing that one as well. Are you in a cider mood?
Yeah.
I'm between that or cider.
Why not so?
Hey,
I kind of want
we have elevated. Right. Get that 60 out the way. We got elevated, and then.
I'm only 2.5 weeks
Girl,
off,
we gonna get you a
but-
honey tasting.
Okay.
We gonna get you that honey down there. Don't you worry. Yes, we went to college in Oregon.
Oh, okay, cool. So I'm gonna stop right in it then. So with these flights right here with the $16 flight, all these are going to be carbonated. So they're going to drink a little like beer, champagne, sparkling wines, and ciders. And then on the $24,
Ours is Valley of the.
Hey!
Oh yeah, I should get like a little thing of the menu.
Yeah.
I like that. This is weird too.
Light never had nothing like it.
Right, like that little. It's something
It's
about
something.
like the. It's some. It's not the aftertaste. It's like the before. Please, y'all.
Try to get to the root of it like
It's like when it first enter your atmosphere in your mouth. It's like, and then it turned into.
Like I would drink this like by the pool.
Alright, and this next one for y'all on the carbonated flight, this one is going to be the Savannah Heat. This one's a fun one because it starts off tropical. It has those mangoes, pineapples, and oranges.
Yeah.
And then towards the end, you're going to taste a little bit of heat, and that comes from our hot honey. And our hot honey is going to be infused with Scotch bonnet and habanero peppers.
Okay.
So it's going to have a sweet heat to it.
Right. Oh, nectar of the hops. Yeah, we like that. We'll put a star by her. Girl. Oh, notes. You're supposed to write notes.
Yeah, I absolutely meant to tell y'all that y'all can write on this menu.
That's okay.
Art is ready. I said, a pencil.
That one? Okay.
I'm taking notes.
Okay, guys. Now we're on Savannah Heat.
Would you like to try this?
Absolutely.
Oh, I love something that got a little hint of spice. So got a little hit you in the back of the throat. Like,
It's like that's what I imagine a rosé should taste like, but it never tastes like that.
And then that one for you is going to be the fig and creamsicle. This one's going to be fermented with figs as well as
But it
vanilla
never
beans and
tastes like
orange
that. That's
peels.
You know what I mean?
That orange peel is going to add a citrusy note towards the end, but for the most part, it's going to be very jammy and juicy from the fig.
I like the hotness.
You like the fig? I know.
I like the
heat is
hotness.
there.
I like the hotness.
Of course. Of course. What's in this? So this goes well. This pairs well with the sweet and spicy Thai noodle dinner. Okay.
We like Thai.
It has their hot honey in it and their tropical flavor. So I'm seeing where the heat is coming
No, I
from.
like a little something that got just a little something. Not
You
too
like
much.
your little kick.
I do like a little heat.
Mm-hmm.
The chips, the guy just got a little bit of pepper in it.
I really like Nectar of the Hops though. It has floral, citrusy taste with a splash of honey. Yup. Redstone's most well balanced and refreshing needs.
I love that you have loved her.
That's it. No other notes. No other notes.
Give me the store. That creamsicle, you can really taste it.
Yeah, you can. Because it's spicy.
Yeah.
This next one for y'all, this is going to be the Day Tripper.
Okay.
With the Day Tripper, this one is going to be fermented with lemons, peaches, and raspberries.
Lemons, peaches, and raspberries.
This like tastes like almost like a spiced whiskey. Like it feels
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
The spice is there. If you tell me there was a jalapeno in here, I'd say okay.
I'd say maybe you're right.
Me. Okay. Now this is what I should have. How about that? How about that? Uh-huh. Day Tripper Groovy
Yes, and this
Elixir.
raspberry, it's fermented with 3
your
pounds of
vibe.
raspberries
It is
per
me.
gallon. So definitely very like
Let's get groovy.
very punchy raspberry note.
Okay.
It's also the highest ABV on both of these flights combined. It's 14.5%.
Why was I literally about to say that? I literally was about to say that.
14.5.
I'm scared.
Take me through there, babes. This is what I signed up for.
I like this. I like this
That's
one.
so crazy. I literally was about to say, take me through that.
We can get her for the beach.
Oh, wait, that's
I'm like, do they have her in the can?
my face is starting to get hot already.
Hey, because we ain't eating no dinner. That's the issue.
Absorb
Something just
immediately.
empty walls.
Intestine on the wall, just.
This is, I like that. I like that a lot. That gets beach.
This creamsicle is so bomb.
Love her, love her.
I don't know.
Which one was that? The dragon heart. You still go? Of course you want the $32 ones. Of course you want the $32 ones.
You right.
She's 17.
You right. It's so good. This was so good. It's so good.
No, if you're an expensive girl, you're an expensive girl.
And then this one for you right here, this is going to be the apple cider. Cider in mead terms just basically means that it is a mead fermented with apples. So you're going to get a slight apple note to it. And since it is going to run a little bit more on the drier end, it's going to drink a lot like a sauvignon blanc. Alright, let me get those in front.
I'm a wine guy.
Yeah, like I said, I'm curious as to what you're saying.
How are we feeling? How are we feeling?
Yeah.
She's decent.
It's a little dry.
Right. This definitely is like a cider. It's definitely like a dry cider type of sweetness to it, for sure.
It's got a little.
I know it's a picture.
Get a picture of the
Yeah,
that bar looks.
Can you spin it out to the bar too?
Oh yeah.
Twats! Twats! Cheers to the girls who can. Woo!
I dropped the grape. Pissed.
The grape actually.
Will they come to
there,
her?
Yeah.
Good.
I love a little grape.
So lemon is a W. We like lemon. Okay, let me get.
One for cheese.
I like that one. I like this one better.
What's that?
The lemon.
Cinnamon one.
Oh.
Ooh. The honey for cheese.
Oh. Out.
We don't have a reservation, right?
We do not. They better let us in.
Oh, they're gonna see us.
Please. I mean, I don't mind waiting because I'm not starved. I'm
Party of
tipsy.
5 bad bitches.
So these are the drinks. But we're gonna look at the food.
One over here and one right here.
Jealous.
I know I was drinking because I got a pee again.
Hey, you done broke that seal.
Then broke the seal.
Hey, it don't even look like it got no liquor in it. That's crazy.
No, I thought that was water.
It definitely tastes like liquor.
Yeah.
Oh, this chicken.
Sauce. They got the same thing.
I got the crab stick. Yes, check on that.
Yeah, I got it. You good to go.
He walked up to us and made friends, and it was history.
And that, A.
Clear.
Ew, I'm gonna go pro.
Hot.
Careful.
Okay.
Oh,
sing it, girl.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Destiny. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Exactly. Exactly. Happy birthday.
Thank you. You know what it is. This TV looks so little.
So, like, camera little, TV little.
Cute. This is very HGTV. Welcome to my home. So T. Humble abode.
No, real. I felt like it was like Pink Panther's Euro.
Yes, it's so good. How do I turn this all the way light on? Oh, okay, that's better. Okay.
It's very like beachy savannah.
Very Savannah. Love the
Going for a
tights.
leisurely stroll.
That's what it's giving, and that's what we'll be doing today. Leisurely strolling. So we're gonna start off with breakfast at Collins Quarter. Then we're gonna go to the Press and Play Vinyl Room within, I think it's Jen's Library or Jen's Cafe. And then we're gonna go to SCAD's actual art museum.
Hi.
We're matching unintentionally. I'll have to set me down somewhere to show you me. I don't know where the social that's like high enough. Chill walk.
Come on, that's all.
Something to get you up, something to get you going. Big fishy. Yes. Get her started. What's mine? Yellow?
I love eating outside.
You win this round.
Definitely does not.
No, release the horses.
Flick the beat. My mama said I could have that. My mama let me have that at home. It's okay, I got it.
And then
Oh,
we got
Nikita.
the short rib.
Right here.
Baby.
Thank you.
Of course. Is there anything else I can run for you guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Rest is coming up in just a minute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Did you get
Bree did.
Sorry, I'm like.
No, you're good. Oh wow, this is gorgeous.
Alright, y'all enjoy.
Thank y'all.
You guys enjoy.
Thank you. Your little jam, girl.
It smells so freaking good.
All right, let's dig in. Everybody got their pictures. Let's go.
Can we get some French fries?
Yes, I got you. Say less. I
Thank
got
you.
I'm gonna be right back.
Thank you so much.
I'll come back around.
Everybody ready? Oh, I'm sorry, Kens. Yeah, I'll have the rest of yours.
Don't even worry about it. I got you, babe.
What happened?
Are you boomeranging or we just clashing?
Cheers.
Cheers.
This weekend.
So we just made friends with a girl, Blessing, that goes to SCAD. As I always do, every time I travel, I always make a friend. Right now, we're gonna try to go to the vinyl listening room. It is within SCAD's campus, so you see the SCAD theater right there. See all that?
Oh.
Time to go. Let's try to find her.
Watch that.
Come visit Press Cafe, East on Broughton Street. Ari's winning. Ari's up.
It's just stop. This is. So much.
I miss Sammy too. I know he should have invited him. He would have came.
He would have been a vibe too.
Yes.
Megan Thee Stallion up in here. Green.
Do they? Hey.
They take turned it on. There's a button on. We'll add the collection. Let's take it off.
That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah, this long press on this button and it will turn it on.
Oh, there's 4 headphones too.
Yes, there is.
And they're Bluetooth?
Would you guys like to listen? Because
Yeah.
all these
Sade.
4 headphones are connected to the same vinyl.
Thank you. I love Sade.
There's a button on it. Long press.
Let me see. On the other side. I think, yeah, this one.
The one.
Yeah. No, not on the side. Down there. Hold on. Right here.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Long press, and then you're free to listen.
Thank you.
What?
I can't hear nothing. Y'all can hear? How y'all can hear? Let me see.
Oh, you didn't. You might have not turned them on. It's okay. Oh, you want mine?
No.
Yes.
I will wait.
Oh, let's take this off. Don't be copying me, Ari.
Ari gonna be picking and choosing.
And this.
What's all this new for? To the third big song. So,
Girlfriend. Hey, hey, hey. Bow. 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 Hey, hey, hey. Yo, are you ready to like stop playing games? Cause you'll be bullshitting like you stay playing. I'm trying to pin that. Tryna pin that 1, 2, 3 top out, knee and back like should've been cracked, was like your body didn't how to fall back. You've been playing games since the 9th grade. Just to turn you out, you niggas been lames. You're so indecisive, no you wanna ride it. Harness on her, so I gotta guide it. I can take it off, we can rep privates, chest to chest. I feel you climate rising. Yeah, that's a little thing for the students.
oh.
Huh?
Oh, you got a little coffee stain on your shirt.
Oh,
Even though you're filming.
me. Oh,
I usually do my podcast too.
it's okay.
Abby.
Virgo.
Oh, can you please? Literally like Virgo. Please prepare.
Oh, it's just dark.
Oh, you want me to?
I do. Come on. I just didn't know if there was more light down there. It's not. It's dark. Okay, is there anybody in here?
We'll serve. We'll serve, why don't you?
Mm-hmm.
You are now tuning into the Grooves Radio. Today on the airwaves, we have a brand new release from the rawest, the flyest, and the naughtiest D. Well, take it away.
living in some bad times. How the fuck is it so elegant to think of lame bad rhymes? I couldn't die, fool, my heart span my damn life. Our time travelers flowing eloquent Palestine. The battle now is Armageddon. High fashion, imperial dripping. I'm searching for my soul sister. You need to really check your limits. Can't be me and D. Don't shop at Linux, you niggas tripping. But understand me, make love to the music, nigga, fuck a Grammy. Blow like Sosa, nigga, not Sammy. I love my skin, got your head on lock, I'm the masterpiece. Never stop my catastrophes. I'm building anguish to anger my anger, held it casually. Nostalgia gets the grasp of me, so I kick back and relax with my family. A trip around the sun every now and then. I'm just trying to be the best me. A trip around the sun every now and then. Nostalgia, F, coming for you MCs. You ever smell something and think like, damn, shit smell like way back when? Some shoes, Bordeaux 7s. Thanks, D.
Eva and Patty getting busy. Gag. SCAD bees? Are they the bees? Kinda looks like they are.
Yeah, everything's right over there. Thank you so much. Yeah, of course.
Very cute. Sardine. Hey, we're in Five Below, getting our beach towels. Should have gave their ass a tent, let them start setting it up. Wow, we got a little chair right there. Hello, hello. Good. Take your time. It's gonna be so pretty when it's sunset. How far they go? We like how far they go. Okay, I see them right there.
Should we go down there? Yeah, we gotta go down there.
Oh yeah. Hey. Put these in your purse. Snackies. Thank you.
Love how quiet this fucking beach is. Like, yeah, it's not busy at all. Are you kidding me? I've never been to like a public beach. I've only been to like beaches behind like hotels.
Gator Lagoon.
Just front one time.
So cute.
You getting that redo? So I stay in the house.
That's fair.
Got a love country. And then a chowder.
Which one was with extra potatoes?
Oh, sorry, swap potatoes. Because I'm like, this got corn on it.
Whew. We are not going out to the bars tonight, y'all. We are popped. We are popped. My honey got me a gluten-free red velvet cake. And y'all about to see the reveal with me. We had a lot of fun though, going to the Crab Shack. I mean, y'all saw what my review of it was, so.
Oh,
she may not be that girl, but it was decent. I'm so happy with all my birthday wishes I got. Very gaggy, very sweet messages, and I think it's, thank you. I think it's very interesting that a lot of people have been being like, you know, you're just so creative, and like everyone has talked about me being a creative, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, guys, you see me as just an artsy fartsy girl for reals? I appreciate that. Like, that's hella love, so I feel very loved. Ooh. Hey! Oh, you got a little plup on top. Little plup. Bloop. Haitian, Black woman owned. We had an amazing server today. Prince Eli. If you ever go to Carlin's Quarter, don't go to, well, you could go to the one on Forsyth, but we went to the other one, and that's where he was. And he was amazing. You sit outside.
Prince Eli.
Prince Eli. So we're about to chase some cake, and then we did a colors little activity today where everybody was assigned a color, and you had to just take pictures and stuff throughout the day. Ari had green, Kinsley had blue, Bree had pink, I had yellow, and my mom had purple. But I think my mom is out and about right now, so we'll see when she presents hers. But I got my little layout ready, and I'll pop them up on the screen as we go. Okay, this is my cake. I had another little one yesterday, but let's decorate this one. I love you just like stood. I'm so sick of it. I'm so sick of it. I'm so sick of it. Damn, I put that shit in deep. Maybe I shouldn't put it in deep.
I don't think it matters.
Way into deep.
My eyes are itchy, everybody.
Itchy, itchy. Itchy. Why am I so itchy?
I'm itchy. I feel like a little kid.
Too right.
Mom, run me the oatmeal bag.
Okay, let's keep these good vibes going. I've been seeing a lot of angel numbers as well. Like, it happens like on and off. But when I do notice it, I'm like, bruh, is it just me? Am I going into psychosis? Like, what's going on? So I'm curious to see what it means. I mean, it's the beginning of the new year. I had good predictions by the spiritual guidance that this is going to be a good year for me financially and career-wise. So I'm hoping they ain't send me off. We're going to see. Green for my favorite color. Yellow for Oshun. Purple for Oya. blue for your Maya. And one more green for me. Or green for money, maybe. Money, me. I love my chopper, and I think she loved me. Hey! So, we're just gonna wait for Ken's and Ayani to finish up. We gotta get up early tomorrow. That's also why we didn't go out. We got up today. We was up and out the house 9:30?
9:34.
By 9:30. And tomorrow we need to be up and at 'em because we have to return the rental at noon. But we also want to do quick little stops, 2 quick stops in Savannah before we hit the road, Jack, on our 3-hour, 33-minute journey.
It was 3 hours and 33 minutes.
Well, I know it's 333 miles away from my house. See what I'm saying with angel numbers, though? Let me see. Dangerous. Oh, I took pictures today, too. I didn't let y'all see the process of it, but we stopped by the Sugar Shack, so I'm going to insert the pictures. They were cute. Oh, I forgot you was boiling water. I'm like, what is that? So right now, my home is 222 miles away.
What?
335. 3 hours, 35 minutes. So now it's saying it's 222. So I don't know, y'all. I feel like I was destined to have a birthday here when I first was looking it up. And I was just hoping that it could happen. And I'm just grateful for everyone who had an intention on coming, even if they wasn't able to. And my girls, I was able to make it through. We've been having a ton of fun. And what? We had a ball in that job.
We had a ton of fun.
Yes. And it's not
even, we're just halfway there.
We're just getting started. We finna be loose screws tomorrow. Because we actually going to go partay. Is that some Moscato?
You want some?
I think I want to eat a piece of cake first before I get into drinking. Because I think if I drink it and try to eat.
Yeah, the sugar.
Oh, no, I did have it the right way.
Oh, you do? Yeah. If it's that way, yeah, you should do.
Okay. I didn't realize I had it the wrong way. Because I was looking at it towards me. But now I flipped it the right way. 2-6. Hey, Binky Butt. Bonnet. Cake.
Not all dolphins are evil. Some of them
That
are
is one
just
of her
like
favorite
humans.
animals.
Oh, you were a dolphin.
Humans are evil.
Dolphins have
like,
shooters.
Like, stop. All dolphins aren't terrible.
I'm dead.
Bree is dead. If dolphin defenders.
No, not all of them. Not all of them.
Not all men.
Not all dolphins. Not all dolphins. God.
The bear, the man, or the dolphin.
Do you want
1, 2.
Shut up.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. What you want?
This is our key.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Destiny. Happy birthday to you. Got to. Hey! Damn.
Uh-oh. Is the guest one or the regular one?
Guess.
Guest, okay. I guess I don't want a bitch to be up on here. I don't like smelling like weed in public.
I'm Unc. We cannot figure out how to get the motherfucking airplane to work on this little ass TV. So I'm gonna probably just insert pictures of our.
Oh, you doing that?
I thought we was talking.
You know.
Oh, I
my
mean, we
bad.
can
I ain't
talk.
see the camera. My
Oh,
bad.
we're rolling.
And action. Shit, no warning.
So I put Ari's picture day collage.
I thought we played games.
Then we'll put Bree's color picture collage.
Yes, though, yeah.
Then we'll put mine.
You should be good at it. I should, but I just be
Then we'll
like,
put Kinsley's. And y'all both.
Me
The
too,
baddest
me
have
too.
on the floor. They're all
But
good
I
though.
realize I just-
But
it's not
let us know what
right.
color's your favorite. Rise and shine. I did.
I had them all morning.
Yeah. Even if you cannot stay.
I'm coming to you with the grooves, with the grooves. I'm coming to you with the grooves, with the grooves. I'm coming to you with the grooves. I'm coming to you with the grooves, with the grooves. I'm coming to you with the grooves.
Let's just walk across. Let's just see. So we're looking for Sabrine. I'm gonna, it says she was on the left side. I'm okay, thank you. That looks so good. I was thinking that I would have took my Pastries picture up in here with the little red savannah sign.
So cute. That was a good present. I don't know why. Exactly.
With a dum-dum.
That would be cute.
Imagine being a little kid just up.
She see me pull up in that Rari. I'm thinking about chopping the topic. Strap bitches on bitches, they ruin the lobby, they know